first thing we're gonna do is set an iron skillet or a stainless steel pan over medium heat. As that heats up, we're gonna set 80-20 beef into 55-gram patties. Now we're not gonna pat down these patties, we're simply gonna grab the meat and weigh it out. Now the reason I'm using tongs is because you don't wanna overhandle the meat. And no, we're not gonna add any spices to it. Now we're aiming for 55 grams, but anywhere between 50 and 60 will work. So now we're going to stovetop. So now that this pan has been heating, we're gonna add some vegetable oil to it. Spread it around. Now what we're gonna need is our trusty solid steel spatula. We're gonna basically grab our meat, pop it in the middle, and smash it. Now you have to make sure you smash it within the first 30 seconds or you're gonna lose a lot of moisture. Liberally salt, add pepper. Let this cook for a minute. You'll know when it's done when it easily basically flips. While that's cooking, go ahead and grab a potato roll. These are the best. Martin's. Go really well with these burgers, nice, soft. And flip. Do not smash it again, that is a big mistake. Let it be. Only in the first 30 seconds. This is where we add our cheese. We're gonna put another piece here. Smash this. Rinse, repeat. Salt. Liberally pepper. This is it. Now I'm gonna add 2 pickles and a little bit of Thousand Island dressing just to give it a nice little extra flavor. Now don't dress it up too much, just very plain Jane is the way to go. These burgers are delicious, and as you saw, incredibly simple to make. In under 5 minutes, you can literally just pick the beef out of the packet, throw it on the pan, and you're good to go. I highly recommend using a potato roll. That's the way to go with this. And as you can see, I have some sweet potato fries because these are delicious. My name is Dennis with Black Tie Kitchen. Until next time, check out Facebook, Instagram, everything down below in the description, blacktieKitchen.com. Hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos. Remember the guava?